What am I supposed to do? I don't know what to do. Oh my god, my dog likes to poo. No. No. Oh no. What am I supposed to do? I like to draw my hands with Sharpies, but I really don't know sometimes. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I mean, for me, it's legit. Pretty legit. No! I don't really want to go to school at the end of spring break, and I don't want to work tomorrow or Thursday